Roman Basin Soft Plastic Cedar Tree Installation Video. First, lift the upper pot. Align the bottom protrusion vertically with the black interface on the base. Then press down smoothly. Then, connect the tree trunk-shaped connecting pieces to the flower pot. Attach the bottom trunk section to the tree trunk. The top part consists of individual branches, so please arrange each branch separately. The bottom section uses hinged branches. Simply open each hinge and arrange the 5 branches to create a full appearance. Tip: place some stones or other heavy objects you prepared in the flower pot to improve stability. Finish.